Peace, guys. So I wanted to show you guys a really cool custom GPT that I recently just made that I think you guys are gonna love. So I made another video kind of explaining what custom GPTs are. So we're gonna look into this cool, interesting one I have right here. So before I go into kind of like how I made it, let's just take like a quick look at what's going on here. So I'm going to say, show me Cypher's GitHub projects. So right now it's searching my GitHub to check out my projects. And how I designed this is to kind of be uncensored and not really care to talk about unethical hacking. So if you guys have questions or issues or problems, I know a lot of people reach out or leave issues on GitHub, but now you could just go to Cypher AI's Hacker Hardware GPT, and it tells you exactly what you need to do. So a lot of people are having issues with Project Starbeam. It's a very advanced project. I get it. So help me build Project Starbeam step by step and tell me what to buy. So normally with a normal ChatGPT bot, it probably wouldn't tell you how to make projects like this, and it probably would not instantly know to search for Cypher or me's GitHub account. I make posts on Reddit. A lot of my Reddit posts for a lot of my projects have done really well, so those things are getting caught up in the search too. So as you can see here, it tells you exactly what you need. It tells you exactly how to order it. A lot of people say this is a 2-layer project. No, it's not. It's a 4-layer PCB project as referenced in the GitHub and referenced in my Reddit post. Amazing. Make sure you solder all these things in the correct orders, and then add pin headers, support as necessary for sure, and then especially installing it. Everything you need to do. How to clone it, compile it, integration with the HackRF. And then it does give you some legal safety notes, and it gives you the complete shopping list of everything you'll need. 7 radios. And then, steps on what to do. So can you tell me how to make the Cypher jammer? Normally, ChatGPT probably wouldn't want to talk about this type of stuff. Claude wouldn't even search it for you. That's why I hate using Claude for anything hacker related, because it just instantly tells you it can't do it. But here, everything you need, even the capacitors, the dip switch in case you need, the PCB that you could order in the repo, exactly everything you need, the pins, everything. And gives you the quick build, and it could also help you with wiring. So definitely something to check out. The link's in my bio if you're interested in trying it. But really, there should be nothing that this Hacker Hardware GPT can't help you with. And it's a cool way to also get an idea of the stuff we do in the Hacker Hardware Club. And also in the AI Flow Club that I'm a part of, this is the type of stuff we make. I tried to see a use case for me that AI could apply to my business and my life, and through various courses that we have in the club too, and other builds that people share. There's some members who make custom GPTs for their business, for their family. There's really a lot of different awesome use cases. So here I have the custom GPT that I could use, but I could also go and edit it. So this is where I can go and tweak it, configure exactly how I want it to be, some conversation starters. The most important thing is the files that I uploaded next to the instructions, because this is where you give it its knowledge base. So instead of me always having to go type in ESP32 datasheet, Arduino IDE documentation. It's all there, and I'm growing the knowledge base as I see other things I would like to put in as well. So now it has this master brain of exactly what I'm probably going to be asking questions about. Instead of asking the general GPT to think of over everything. That's why your answers are probably whack, because there's guardrails and it's searching way too much. So you could also add some actions too. So imagine, for me personally, as I'm querying and maybe brainstorming new projects, I could also shoot off that data or connect to certain data through actions. So whether it's Google Sheets or Airtable, Notion, whatever my database might be, or whatever service I might need, that's where these actions and these API stuff comes into play. That's a little bit more advanced, and for this one, I'm more so using it as like a customer service bot of sorts, or like an engineer intern to kind of help me brainstorm, because I can even reference my whole GitHub and try and brainstorm some newer projects. I also have some stuff I'm working on with some new projects that it could help me elaborate or elevate. And then here too, if I ever need help, there's this create tab, and then I can go back and forth. How can I make this custom GPT better? Or if I'm starting a new one, give me a basic template to start with. So yeah, pretty cool little platform that I highly recommend, because then you can have your own bot for whatever it is. So yeah, definitely check it out. If you do need help or assistance, obviously still reach out, but definitely try out this custom GPT. And if you're also interested in cool stuff like this, maybe for your own channels, your own work or whatever, once again, the link is down below and in the bio to check out the AI Flow Club, because this is the type of stuff we do on a weekly, monthly basis, just really trying to see how we can elevate our current situations, our current endeavors, and make it smarter, make it better. Peace.